Good day. Today I'm going to show how PatientXpress ERX works. Go to PX portal and click on the patient's appointment. Select the patient's appointment and click on the ERX button. A browser window with pre-filled patient information opens, and then click on the RX writer in the left menu. Using Search option, search and select the medication. Click Search for Pharmacy and select the pharmacy you would like to send the ERX to. Review your prescription information and click on Complete once done. Once completed, completed ERX will then be added to their chart module and will be sent out to the pharmacy. That is it. That is how PatientXpress ERX works. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.